it's Steven here. So today we'll make a sponsored unboxing of the YeheeyBizFriends Purple Corn Gold. So it's a juice drink made with gluta, collagen, and vitamin C. So if we want to know what's in this product, so we look behind, which is the ingredients, which is purple corn, hence the name, mangosteen extract, barley, moringa, guyabano, and stevia. So this product claims that it can help fight cancer, inflammations, aging, and it also lowers blood pressure, kidney diseases, and also fights with insomnia, hyperacidity, and other cardiovascular diseases. So we will open this bad boy. So if you want to know what's inside here is 10 sachets. Each box of purple corn gold contains 10 sachets, so good for 10 uses. So it has here the suggested use. So you need to prepare a 200 milliliter glass of water, which I have here, and mix with a whole sachet inside the glass of 1 sachet. So stir well and add ice and enjoy. So very simple. So this is a new product. As you can see, it's not unboxed yet. So we will open it now. So we're opening the box now. It's a little tight. There we go. We got it open. So we're gonna get 1 sachet from this bad boy. Okay, so as you can see, there's about 10 inside. So we're gonna get just one, to taste this little product we have here. So now that we have 1 sachet, now we will try it in a glass. So we need 200 ml of water. Just this 1 glass is enough. Sorry for the spillover right there. And we're gonna try this one. So I'm gonna slowly open it up. Okay. So it smells good. It smells like a vinegar. And there it is, the powder itself. It's whitish violet, whitish purple, and when it hits in the water, it turns bright purple. So let's dump in everything that's inside this sachet. Okay, there we go. And stir it well so it mixes. We're pretty much you're just stirring a juice, which you can buy in sachets stores or at the convenience stores and in the market. Make sure we mix it well, that every dust gets mixed in the water, the powder itself. Okay, so here we are. So I'm gonna try it. It tastes good. It's very sweet. Tastes like juice, tang, like that. That's good. It's refreshing. This thing's highly addictive, man. I can't get enough of that sweet taste. So if you're interested to buy our products, just look in the description below. We will post our links there. So if you want to gain more information about YeheeyBizFriends Purple Corn or YeheeyBizFriends itself, be sure to contact me. I put my links in the description below, or you can visit YeheeyBizFriends.com. That's YeheeyBizFriends.com. And that's it for this video. See you guys. Bye bye. Yay!